Another key element of establishing standards is creating checklists for routine tasks and procedures. Checklists are like the safety net of the organized world, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks and that every step is accounted for. Whether it's a daily cleaning checklist, a weekly maintenance checklist for equipment, or a step-by-step checklist for a specific work process, having a clear and concise list of what needs to be done helps prevent errors, reduces wasted time and effort, and ultimately boosts overall efficiency. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to get creative with your checklists. Use humor, add a touch of personality, and make them visually appealing to encourage engagement and compliance. Remember, a checklist that's fun to use is more likely to be used effectively. Section 4, the audit of awesomeness. We can't just establish standards and let them gather dust. We need to make sure those standards are being followed. And that's where audits come in. Think of audits as friendly accountability buddies. They're about assessing progress and identifying areas for improvement. Regular audits provide valuable feedback and help maintain standards. Keep audits positive and solutions-oriented. Celebrate successes, acknowledge challenges, and continuously improve.
Section 1. The Circle of Organizational Life. Repeat in a PDCA cycle. The R that keeps on giving, transforming a one-time blitz into a sustainable system. Achieving Workplace Zen is about a continuous cycle of improvement. Think of it like an epic quest, evolving and adapting to overcome obstacles. The PDCA cycle is our framework to continuously evaluate and improve our systems.